All right, here we are in a 2012 Nissan Maxima. Push to start. We got our key in the ignition. See, we have no keys. Just stick it in here, make sure we get a beep so we know our programming slot's working correctly. Go ahead and connect. Ignition's off, hazard's already on. Go ahead and program keys. Yes, keys are going to be deleted. Do we want to use old? No. We're going to use new. Yes. All right, so press and release. We got on. Okay, go ahead and shut it off. All right, we'll see our security light flash 5 times here. See it right about there. So we got our 5 flashes in. No, we don't want to program more. Shut it off. Key one's in the slot already. We're probably supposed to remove it. Go ahead and pull it out. Stick it back in here. All right, switch ignition on. Here's our ignition on, switch ignition off. And there we are, 2012 Nissan Maxima with the slot.